Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to append tables in Power Query and the difference between the append queries and append queries as a new. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So from the Power BI desktop, I'll go to the Power Query editor. So I'll click on the transform data and again click on the transform data to go to the Power Query editor. And here you can see the three tables actually. So product by USA, product by Sri Lanka, and product by AU. So all three tables has the same column and column names. So now if you can see the product by USA, country, product, products, sales, pre-sales, and profit. Similarly for Sri Lanka, so product, country, Sri Lanka, products, sales, pre-sales, and profit. So values are different actually, and product by AU. So you can see the country Australia, products, sales, pre-sales, and profit. So first I want to append all these three tables and create a single table. So from the Power Query editor home tab, and here you will see the option append queries. So we will the append queries we will see later. First we will do the append queries as a new. So what this option will do, it will combine all your tables and create a new table. So let me click on append queries as a new. So we have a more than two tables. So I'll click on three. And as you can see, the product by AU is already appended here. So because we have selected product by AU, it is selected. So what I'm going to do, I'll select this product by US and product by Sri Lanka. So all three tables are here, tables to append. And now I'll click OK. So as you can see, the append one table is created, and here you can see the country Australia, USA, and Sri Lanka. So all three tables are appended here and created a new table, that is append one. So I'll rename this table as a products by countries. So this table name is product by countries. So all three table is appended here. So sales, pre-sales, and as you can see the profit. Now we'll try with the second option. So for example, if I select a product by AU, so this table is selected. And if I'll go to append queries and select this option, if append queries, if I select this option, so all these table, like if you can see the product by AU, this is the current table. So I will add this US and I will add the Sri Lanka. So this option, what it is going to do, it will append product by US data and product by Sri Lanka data in product by AU table. So this is the current table. If I select OK, so now you can see in product by AU, the Australia is already there, US and Sri Lanka is added. So this is the basically difference between the append by queries and append by queries as a new. So append by queries as a new, it will create a separate table. It will append all the table which you want and it creates a new table. And append queries, it will append the other tables data into a same table. So that's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.